Oh, boys. If I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing for last week, last week was in a way like metamorphosis week. I've been trying my new strategy. I've been tilting. I've tilted 2 days out of three actually. No, okay. There was 5 trading days. On Monday I didn't trade. No, I actually traded my uh, combine evaluation account. I failed, obviously, Monday, right? Then on other days, I've traded my funded, where I said to myself that yes, this is like the amount of money I want to lose. So in first day I lost more than I was expecting. On the other day I was break even, then I lost everything. And on third day, on like I don't remember. On one day there was one good day where I just lost, but it was my setup. It was nothing's bad. But on other days I just, you know, I made myself very, very, very clear to myself that I am a lousy gambler. So today, new week, new me, Monday, right? Friday was P shape with actually like some coverings at the end, but overall it went up. But the Monday just gapped down so badly, below value, etc. So it would be hard to long this market. But no, anything can happen, and longs might work also. I don't know. Uh, also, also less volume than usual. Uh, Today I'll check with the yes because I remember it better. Mm, there's so little volume today. Volume 1.3, like it will be 140 maybe. Very low. Haven't seen it for a while, or even I don't know. we have 1 minute left. Delta minus 0.8. VIX, I don't know, but I suppose it's very low. Not that low. Below V, WAP, below value low. Okay, so, well, my predictions actually for today are very bearish. This area, and if we break down maybe this area. So let's see what we can achieve. I'm gonna have maximum 3 trades. First trade will be on the first 5 minute candle. Second trade will be on another break to the other side of 5 minute candle, and the last trade will be 15 minute. Another will be maybe even another. Okay, so overnight. Oh, Jesus, jeez Louise. Somehow I'm still thinking very like short biased, but you know, it can all happen very quickly. We can all just screw up. So overall, that's the view. That's TS what's doing. I don't know if I care anymore about the footprint right now, because from what I see, it's just, you know, making my head explode in a fashion of exploding. Okay, so so wild. Yeah, that's the open you want to see actually. That's the open we want to see. We will want to see the break of this candle, which is like they went to these levels. And now I'm thinking about like it should, like these are resistance. These are the levels where I would prefer this price to move if it moves down. If it goes up, mm, well, I don't know. I don't know. It's just then it will be hard to trade. Okay, we have. Jeez, this thing. I mean, like, why? How on earth am I supposed to make this happen? Why it's so difficult to make it like comfortable for usage? Okay, that's a wild start, huh? Look, it's just such an indecision. Such an indecision. Also, day was very like kind of indecisive, you know. Look, also, there's news at 17. By the way, actually, yeah, maybe I don't want to trade that today because we have at 17 the news, some type of news, but still. So the first actually candle is most important for me. the first break of all this. So that's the range now. If like, let's say 8, so if we get 4, we got, we have to go like with more. I mean, with 8 lots, if we're risking 250, then the whole range is like, fine, fine, fine. Just don't. Now we have all range of 85, which still is not big. If we enter with, okay, we'll have to enter, oh, like I need more, two more left. No. Okay. That was insane, right? That was insane. By the way, that's like very quick in and out. My risk is right here. Yeah, that's good. And my TP is right there, right? These are the lines. Yeah, these are the lines. Good. That's it. We're looking for a break there. Come back there, and then we're gonna see a kerfuffle to the downside, right? So the 10% is done. I mean, like 20% or something is done. It's a VWAP. This trade can bounce back, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If that takes me out, it takes me out. I don't mind. I have three trades today. Okay, 3 trades. I still don't like that the ES is like a bit stuck in there. But let's see, let's see. We can, the support is easy to target actually. 77, can we go actually to somewhere there? Can we add just a bit for a break? Looks like it wants to break up. Um, that's a zone. If that breaks, then we are good to go to the upside, definitely. And my target is there, the exact target. I don't know what else to expect. There will be some bounces off that. Yeah, yes, wants to also break maybe the VWAP. Or no, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I've seen those many times. Many, many times. A bit disgusting, but somehow I want to add more, but I don't know if I should. It looks like it wants to go further. If I add here, I would have to put my stop loss here and I would have to be crying, right? Okay, so, well, that didn't work, obviously. My adding maybe ruined all this. I don't know. Stop filled. Okay, so we'll still have another try over here. I will laugh. That will be like my adding will be the problem. Hey, that was nice liquidity grab, right? Now we cannot hold this and we'll go for a big sweep to the downside, maybe, and without any stopping. We'll just kerfuffle to the downside till, I mean, like here-ish. That would could be my target. Yeah, I'll get my order will be taken out for sure. But the question is right now if that push to the downside will hold. That is the question of the day. Well, with that kind of target, I mean, that will be funny if that's gonna be like what it does often on the first trade, where it comes back and then goes all the way. But that looked like a sweep, you know, like shorts, covered shorts. And now we're gonna go. Ouch, that's crazy. Yeah, that's the place I wanna be in, and my take profit is, I don't know, like the bottom of the bottom, below there, at here somewhere. If we get that pop back, then it's gonna be a problem for me. I didn't take into account these things because on the candle pattern it might look okay, but on the paper like this, you know, it might not look okay because we still have 1 minute to go, so that can go either way. Okay, so that was both ways. One of those days, okay. I just don't don't mind. Okay, that's like totally okay. We have one more trade to trade today, is where I would put my money on. And for a quick grab of liquidity is where I would place, like, for this, what was that? Like, by the way, there's a news, so today is news day and Monday. 85, and that was what, 99, like 15%. Look, what the? But it's not this news, it's different thing, something different, you know? Okay, so I lost two in a row. Oh well. But how many ticks that was? 20 ticks. So if I trade 10 lots NQ for 10 ticks. Hmm. So 2 lots, 200. 6 lots, 600. Oh, it is a possibility for me too. Okay. Let's hope for the best. By the way, 10-minute wasn't also 10-minute strategy didn't work either way. So I have still 100 risk left. So this day today. I don't even want to see the tick chart because that would be Suicide Squad. I know I can lose 150. So in this case, I just want to put on the 10 lot trade for 20 ticks like this. Like, you know? I don't get that can happen. Can it happen? It's a very risk to reward, very much. Very, very little risk to reward. Or I want to be a profitable trader and trade as I should, which means that this is not confluence, This is not confluence at all. Yeah. It looks like the price eventually wants to move there, but it just has such a hard time doing this. Plus, there's little liquidity to the both sides, so that's why it's just popping around back and forth. So I'm expecting Nothing today. Okay, now yes is also that was lagging, yes, but now we have it. It's kind of this area. I want to see it on 5 minute, by the way, just to take a look. If the S walks the same walk as the talk, or we have a different story on the S, like on candle. That was the open? No, that was the open. Yeah, that's same-ish. Nothing spectacular, plus 22,000. It's just such a little liquidity, such a low volume. Okay, 10 minutes. So I got chopped just in straight away on the open. I was wrong both sides. There's nothing wrong about it. I'm not. I know that's gonna happen. There's also like the placing was in the middle of Globex, where I mean, where's the Globex from here to here? So we are straight inside that and below yesterday's value. So on that particular reason, like sometimes maybe you wanna be on the other side of the trade when it's inside. I don't know. Maybe. Like you wanna be seller rather than buyer, and vice versa. I mean, you wanna see the range, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 8 minutes left. So yes, it's kind of breaking to the downside. At least it's testing the lower part right now, which makes me think, is it like going to that, or it's just like also there's so many buyers right down there that it's going to get bought up. So little liquidity. It does whatever he wants to do. We always know that. We always know that. Why? I don't see him, by the way. Oh, he's live. News in 1.5 minutes. So my target was is almost taken, like from here, but you know, that was not the setup I was looking for. Could have, maybe. Oh, the order looks so clear. Slow liquidity at all. Look, there's nothing on it. There's nothing on it. It's just pure madness. I want to see. It's not possible right now to see inside candle because it's going to break it. Obvious reasons. So, in that case, my trading today is kind of GG's, boys. GG's, right? 5 seconds for go down and yeah, target taken out without with so shitty ass liquidity. With such a shitty ass liquidity. Just a little scalp. Market looks quite comfortable at this level. think I don't. Yeah, that's it. GG. So I lost all I could, 650. With this nice price action. I suppose I would like to short this in at least demo account. The stop like here of 1000-ish, and we go test that level. That this is where I'm like looking for target. How about that, huh? Let's go. Okay, maybe my like take profits is not. Jesus Christ, stop it. Thank you. Okay, so um, well, yeah, I wasn't like, geez, Louise, this market today just cannot make up his mind. I still don't like shorts, but that thing, just bothers me a lot. Okay, yes is moving up. Okay, stopped out. Well, you know, just to recap today, I can tell you one thing. I'm very not disciplined. I told myself I'll do two trades. This one was not a setup. I still went for that scalp. That made me some money back. And then we got this. I'll enter a position again with 500 something because I want to see that drop. Also on ES, I don't trust that pop to the upside. 500 risk is good risk. I like that. Oh, it looks like just stops failed. No, that price action is too quick. We might like stay in this kerfuffleation for a long time. Well, obvious. My target is this. Just to be clear. And yes, no, we are not pushing lower, right? This is spectacular market. This market is spectacular. I'll just close my position here and pretend it never happened, okay? Okay, let's review the trades and let's get back to my statistical analysis. So I took a long, added, pulled up the risk, didn't go well. Short it, risk stayed at the same, didn't go well. There was a little scalp to this level where I thought it's gonna go still. And it went, but unfortunately, after that, we didn't have much things to do. And we just clicked another button here, sell. Where's the closing? That's weird. My close is missing. No, yeah, I sold. But I couldn't get filled. What the? No, where's the? I don't see it. It's not here. That's weird. Because maybe this, not this closed, but the max loss limit closed it. Okay, so first candle. Okay. Minus 650 as usual. Minus, yeah, always minus. Like this account did not have a winning day. Also, it did not have a one winning trade. Yeah, 100. Nice.